check this one out. The Vision 181 hauler in the matte black. You know, the rear wheel, same factory inner steel wheel. Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Check this one out. It's from Vision. This is a dually wheel that they make. This is the Vision 181 hauler in a matte black. This one's built in a 16x6, 8-on-170. These are for those 4 dually trucks. Offset on this wheel, it's like the negative offset for the rear, which is a negative 137, and then they make a positive offset for the front. The part number when you shop on our website is 181 Z as in zebra 6670MBR. That's the rear. And then the front, here, give me a second. Let me see how the front right there. The front wheel is 181 Z 6670MBF. That's for the front. It has a positive 115 offset. So check these bad boys out. And the real, this is the rear wheel of the car, the dually wheel. So on these dually wheels, you're going to be using this same factory inner steel wheel, so that way it'll work. And take this bad boy out. So this is the dually wheel from Vision. The hauler has nice like rivets on the inside. It has like that traditional Alcoa style like holes around it. Nice center cap to go with it. Vision logo on the outside. It's a deep lip on it. See if I can get you the lip size on it. This is a 16.6, guys. So from the inner to the outer, you're probably looking at a good 5 3/4. So you guys are looking for this Vision hauler wheel. This is the matte black version. Nice, clean, simple, factory replacement. They make these for several dualies, so if you guys are interested in this wheel or any more, just feel free to give us a shout. I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Thank you. Don't forget, subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct.